The content creation industry in Kenya has grown from a small niche market into a major economic opportunity. Every day, thousands of people create videos, podcasts, photographs, live streams, documentaries, advertisements, and social media content for audiences across Kenya and beyond. Businesses are investing more money in digital marketing, influencers are building personal brands, and content creators are finding new ways to earn income online. This growth has created strong demand for professional equipment, yet many creators cannot afford to buy expensive cameras, drones, microphones, lighting kits, and production accessories. This challenge has opened the door for entrepreneurs who want to build profitable equipment rental businesses. An equipment rental business allows creators to access professional tools without making large purchases. Instead of spending hundreds of thousands of Kenya shillings on a camera setup, a creator can rent the equipment for a few hours, a day, or even a week. This arrangement benefits both parties. The creator gains access to quality equipment at an affordable cost, while the rental business generates recurring income from the same assets over and over again. One of the biggest advantages of this business model is that equipment can continue generating revenue for several years. A camera purchased today can be rented dozens or even hundreds of times before it needs replacement. Unlike many businesses that require constant inventory replenishment, an equipment rental company invests in assets that repeatedly earn money. This makes it attractive for entrepreneurs who want a scalable business with long-term earning potential. The creator economy in Kenya continues to expand because internet access is improving, smartphone usage is increasing, and digital platforms are creating more monetization opportunities. Many young people are choosing content creation as a career, while businesses of all sizes need videos and photographs for marketing. Restaurants need social media content. Real estate companies need property videos. Schools need promotional materials. Churches need live streaming equipment. Event organizers need professional coverage. These growing needs create a steady market for rental services. Starting an equipment rental business does not necessarily require millions of Kenya shillings. Many successful businesses begin with a single camera and a few accessories. As demand grows, profits can be reinvested into additional equipment. This gradual approach reduces risk and allows business owners to learn the market before making larger investments. Understanding your target customers is one of the most important steps in building a successful rental company. Content creators are an obvious customer group. These include YouTubers, TikTok creators, Instagram influencers, podcasters, and bloggers. Many of them create content regularly, but lack the financial resources to buy professional equipment. They often need affordable rental options that allow them to improve production quality without significant financial strain. Professional photographers and videographers are another important customer segment. Even experienced professionals often rent equipment when handling large projects. A wedding photographer may need additional cameras during peak wedding seasons. A videographer may require specialized lenses or lighting systems for a commercial project. Renting provides flexibility while helping professionals avoid unnecessary purchases. Marketing agencies also represent a valuable market. Agencies frequently produce content for clients and often need additional equipment for specific campaigns. Instead of purchasing every piece of equipment they might occasionally require, agencies often prefer renting. Building strong relationships with agencies can generate consistent bookings throughout the year. Film producers and documentary creators are another group worth targeting. Independent filmmakers frequently operate on limited budgets and rely heavily on rentals. A production may require drones, cinema cameras, lighting equipment, and audio systems for a short period. Renting helps control costs while maintaining professional quality. Corporate organizations increasingly require content for internal communication, training programs, social media campaigns, and promotional activities. Many companies prefer outsourcing content production, which creates opportunities for equipment rental providers. By establishing relationships with corporate clients, rental businesses can secure larger and more predictable revenue streams. When choosing equipment, it is important to focus on items with strong demand. Cameras are usually among the most requested rental products. Mirrorless cameras have become particularly popular because they offer excellent video quality, portability, and versatility. Many content creators specifically seek cameras capable of recording high-quality video suitable for social media platforms and professional productions. Lenses can often be just as important as cameras. Different projects require different types of lenses. Some creators need wide-angle lenses for vlogging, while others require telephoto lenses for events or wildlife photography. Because high-quality lenses can be expensive, many creators prefer renting them rather than purchasing. Audio equipment is another profitable category. Poor audio quality can ruin an otherwise excellent video. As a result, creators frequently rent microphones, audio recorders, wireless systems, and podcast equipment. Demand for podcasting equipment has grown significantly as more Kenyans launch podcasts covering business, entertainment, sports, education, and personal development topics. Lighting equipment also experiences consistent demand. Professional lighting dramatically improves video quality and photography results. Equipment such as light-emitting diode panels, softboxes, ring lights, and portable lighting kits are popular rental items. Many creators only require lighting occasionally, making rentals an attractive option. Drone rentals have become increasingly popular across multiple industries. Real estate companies use drones to showcase properties. Tourism businesses use aerial footage to attract visitors. Event organizers use drones to capture unique perspectives. Construction companies use drones for site monitoring. Since drones can be expensive, renting remains a practical solution for many users. Accessories should not be overlooked. Tripods, gimbals, batteries, memory cards, camera bags, monitors, and power stations may seem small individually, but together they can generate significant revenue. Many customers appreciate the convenience of renting complete equipment packages rather than sourcing accessories separately. The amount of capital required depends on the scale of the business. A small startup may begin with approximately 200,000 to 500,000 Kenya shillings. This budget can cover a quality camera, a lens, basic lighting equipment, microphones, and accessories. Entrepreneurs who have larger budgets can build more comprehensive inventories and serve a wider range of customers. Choosing the right location can significantly impact success. Nairobi remains the largest market because it hosts many content creators, businesses, agencies, and production companies. Areas with active creative communities often provide strong opportunities for equipment rental services. However, entrepreneurs should not ignore other cities. Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, Eldoret, and several emerging urban centers are experiencing growth in content creation activities. Technology has reduced the importance of physical location. Many rental businesses operate successfully through online platforms and delivery services. Customers can browse available equipment online, make reservations, complete payments, and receive equipment deliveries without visiting a physical office. This approach expands market reach while reducing operating costs. Creating a strong online presence is essential. Most customers begin their search online when looking for rental equipment. A professional website should display available equipment, pricing, booking procedures, rental terms, and customer testimonials. High-quality photographs and detailed descriptions help customers understand exactly what they are renting. Social media platforms are powerful marketing tools for equipment rental businesses. Posting behind-the-scenes content, equipment demonstrations, tutorials, and customer success stories can attract potential clients. Educational content often performs particularly well because creators are constantly searching for ways to improve their skills and production quality. Customer trust is critical in this industry because rental equipment often represents substantial financial value. Establishing clear rental policies helps protect both the business and the customer. Every rental should involve a written agreement outlining responsibilities, rental duration, damage policies, and return procedures. Identity verification is another important protective measure. Collecting valid identification documents helps reduce the risk of theft and improves accountability. Some businesses also require security deposits, especially for high-value equipment. These deposits encourage careful handling and provide financial protection against damages. Equipment maintenance should be treated as a priority rather than an afterthought. Cameras, drones, microphones, and lighting systems require regular inspection and servicing. Customers expect reliable equipment that functions properly. Frequent maintenance reduces breakdowns, extends equipment lifespan, and protects the business's reputation. Insurance can provide an additional layer of security. Although insurance increases operating costs, it can protect against major financial losses resulting from theft, accidents, or equipment damage. Entrepreneurs should evaluate available insurance options and determine which policies best fit their business model. Pricing strategies play a major role in profitability. Rates should reflect equipment value, market demand, maintenance costs, and competitive conditions. Charging excessively low prices may attract customers initially, but it can make long-term growth difficult. Sustainable pricing ensures that equipment replacement, maintenance, and business expansion remain financially feasible. Many successful equipment rental companies increase profits by offering complementary services. Equipment delivery is one example. Busy creators often prefer having equipment delivered directly to their filming locations. Charging delivery fees can generate additional revenue while improving customer convenience. Technical support is another valuable service. Some customers may need assistance setting up cameras, lighting systems, or audio equipment. Providing setup services creates an additional income stream while helping customers achieve better results. Training workshops can also become profitable. Many aspiring creators want to learn photography, videography, drone operation, podcast production, and content creation techniques. Hosting paid training sessions allows rental businesses to diversify revenue while building stronger relationships with customers. Partnerships can accelerate growth. Collaborating with marketing agencies, event planners, production companies, educational institutions, and creator communities can create consistent referral opportunities. Strategic partnerships often generate business more efficiently than traditional advertising alone. Marketing should focus on demonstrating value rather than simply promoting equipment. Show potential customers what they can achieve with the equipment. Publish sample videos, equipment comparisons, tutorials, and success stories. Educational content attracts audiences while establishing credibility. Referral programs can be highly effective because creators frequently interact within communities. A satisfied customer who recommends your service to fellow creators can become a valuable source of new business. Encouraging referrals through incentives can help build a loyal customer base. Many entrepreneurs make mistakes when entering this industry. One common mistake is purchasing expensive equipment before confirming market demand. It is often wiser to start with a smaller inventory and expand based on actual customer needs. Another common mistake is neglecting maintenance, which can lead to customer dissatisfaction and costly repairs. Some business owners underestimate the importance of customer service. Fast communication, reliable support, transparent pricing, and professional interactions can differentiate a rental business from competitors. Positive customer experiences often lead to repeat bookings and referrals. Looking ahead, the future appears promising for equipment rental businesses serving the creator economy. New technologies continue emerging, and creators increasingly seek professional production tools. Demand for podcast equipment, live streaming systems, virtual production tools, and advanced video technology is likely to grow in the coming years. Artificial intelligence is also influencing content creation. While artificial intelligence can assist with editing, scripting, and content planning, creators still require quality footage and audio. This means physical equipment remains essential. Rental businesses that adapt to changing technology trends can continue finding new growth opportunities. The most successful entrepreneurs in this industry understand that they are not simply renting equipment. They are helping creators produce better content, grow audiences, attract clients, and build careers. By focusing on customer success, maintaining high-quality equipment, and adapting to market changes, an equipment rental business can become a profitable and sustainable venture. For entrepreneurs seeking opportunities within Kenya's growing digital economy, equipment rental offers a practical path with strong long-term potential. The creator economy shows no signs of slowing down, and demand for professional production tools continues to rise. Those who enter the market with a clear strategy, strong customer focus, and commitment to quality can build businesses that generate income for many years while supporting the next generation of Kenyan creators. /span/p/body